Welcome to the jungle, bitch!
Six, seven!
All right. Woo! Man, I'm making pizza dough, and I wanted to get it done, so I had a Polish made last night. I let it sit overnight, so I was trying to get it done this morning, but I woke up a little late. It's kind of nice without kids because you can kind of wake up when you want as long as you're here before 9:30. But I was trying to get the mixer still going, so I'm gonna sit here and trade the bell. I'm gonna let that go for a second, but once I either trade or don't trade, here at the open, go to the right account 674. I'm gonna go turn that off. Finally sold them. All right. Morning, everybody. Got Heinz in here. FX Bro, what's going on, man? Don, how we doing? Rob, good morning. Creator NQ, Zishan, Jason, good morning. 6-7. Good morning, GDT, good morning. All right, got about 50 seconds here. See if we can't get a trade real quick. Yeah, I was actually thinking about the 24-hour stream. I might do it tomorrow. I know I said I would, and I really want to. And I wasn't doing it today because I wasn't sure if I was going to get enough sleep because I had like no sleep the night before. So we'll see how tonight goes. I might jump on tonight, like around 8, 9 o'clock, and then go until 8, 9 o'clock the following day. So we'll see. Skit Gaming, what's going on, man? SMT, good morning. So we'll see what happens. All right, 10 seconds till the open here. Let's focus. See if we can't get a trade. Money taken out last night. I did make $31. I was actually up $170 on this trade, but I was trying to let it run. I'll show it to you guys later. And it didn't want to. So a little frustrating there, but it is what it is. All right, we are open. Double check the news here this morning. Today is Wednesday. We had the 8:30 core PPI. Canada overnight rates at 9:45, and then we have Fed Chairman testifying again. That did move the market a little bit. That starts at 10 o'clock, so we'll keep an eye on that as well. Nothing here for us at the open, unfortunately. Not yet, anyway. Oh, GDT's back up. GDT, I'll pull you back up here in a little bit. Taking bets? Yeah, that should be a solid bet. I should definitely be here. I wanted to do it. So I want to do it. We'll see though. I am old now. I'm 40 years old, so maybe I back out, maybe I don't. I don't know, we'll see. I also wanted to try to squeeze another round of golf in before the kids got home. So, I don't know. Maybe I don't know. We'll see. I'll buy you a $30 whiskey bottle of my choice if it doesn't make it. No. Yeah. Easiest bottle I ever got. I don't know, man. I'm telling you, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna try. We already got him the best wedding gift, bro. Sorry. I don't think you can get him a better one. What's our bias today? I don't know. Another Indian boy? No, that's not what we got him. How was your day today? Just started. Oh yeah, I gotta go turn the mixer off here. Back. Give that a second. Nice little dump here. What's the trade? No trades. Just waiting to see what it does. Waiting for it to try to dump. If it dumps, go from there. Honestly, I'm more worried about getting to my pizza dough because I need to get it out of the mixer. But I also don't want to miss a trade. Looking for the 900 dump here, see what happens.
Order filled. Order working.
For 80 to hold here, just looking for the retest. It's a pretty early entry here, so if you're following me, be careful. Especially looking left, that looks like a pretty key area. Got yesterday's close.
Order filled. Order working.
What happened?
Order filled.
You see that? It like canceled my order. The heck was that? I had to order out, it canceled. I had to take it lower, I think. Alright. Thankfully I caught it. Still looking for the 900 retest for the rest here. Not a fan of if this breaks lower. I would love to see it break after it gives us our retest. That's the idea here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You gotta be fucking kidding me. 94, literally one tick again. How many times do we go through this? How many times do I have to get one ticked after it just moved 43 points? It just went 43 points and missed me by a tick. What the F, bro? Like, what? Like, I can't make this shit up. I can't make that up. And now to me, I consider that a retest. So now I'm kind of shit out of luck if it doesn't just come back up on its own. Because now I would expect it to try lower. One tick, bro. And I can't hit the button fast enough to get out there for around the same. Like, I'm going to lose 5 to 10 points. So it's like I'm expecting it when it's right there at my order to just go that little bit extra, and then one fucking tick. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Change your name to the one. Look at this. If this turns into like a blown account somehow, I'm going to be fucking pissed. What an absolute joke.
Order working. Order filled.
What an absolute joke.
Order working.
This needs to go right back into that range or we're toast. We're absolutely toast if we don't break back into this range. If this stays below, we're cooked. I think we're cooked. It's not even trying to get back into the range. I hope I'm wrong here, but one tick, man, can ruin the whole day. Because I wouldn't even be in this trade. I'd be going to get my dough real quick. But I'm still in this trade because it one ticked me. Come on, give it to me.
Order filled.
Take half off. Lower this down a little bit. Let's look for the 80 retest here. We can get back into this range. Should make a move back up to the middle band, hopefully. If we can get above this candle, I'm putting a stop at the bottom here. If we don't break previous candle, I'm gonna try to keep trading it. Ideally, if we break the top of this candle, we should go retest where my order is. So if we don't, I don't want nothing to do with it. That was the pop. That was the pop we needed. Got rejected though.
Order working.
Yeah, it should have went straight up from there. It rejected, so I'm just gonna have to stop out here if it goes lower. One tick, man. We would have been up like 150 bucks, I think. Go. Just gonna use previous candle now.
So now push it. Push it good. Push it real good.
See, I was at 82. I was right here.
Stop filled.
Whatever. I should have just left it at 82. I was going to try to trail it. I was going to see if we could pop through and then continue and then just leave my stop there, but I should have known it was just going to stop me out anyway, but whatever. Lost out on 30 bucks. So we almost made the 150 anyway, but we got lucky there. Well, first we got very unlucky getting our take profit missed by one tick. But then the fact that if you look left, the fact that we kind of fake broke this area That's just luck, right? Because this very easily could have went straight to yesterday's close, and then it could have went through yesterday's close straight to the lows. We got very lucky that we got to pop back up here. And then we didn't get the immediate pop on the previous candle break. We got lucky when it came back down that it actually went back up. So yeah, all right. So we got very unlucky into very lucky to now we're just flat. All right, where's my other account that I haven't traded? 183. Start fresh. See if we can't get some money on this one. RMWJ. Want to know how you really build discipline to get such crazy payouts of 89K with so little expense used? Patience. Lots of patience. Just wait for your setups. Once you know you have a system that works, don't force trades that you don't need to force. It's that simple. Take your time. Like, those payouts will come. And a lot of cussing. Yes. A lot of throwing shade at the market. Like, when you get one ticked, let the market know that it one ticked you. Like, yell at that motherfucker. Let it know that you mean business. And that's bullshit that it one ticked you. You know what I'm saying? Like, let that bitch know. Yeah, everyone hit the like button if you don't mind. I appreciate that. All right, coming down to yesterday's close, N800. Pretty key area here. All right, looking for 800 to break here. It's probably going to hold, though, because it's yesterday's close as well.
Order filled.
I'm a quick scalp this.
Order working. Order filled.
Yeah, I feel like that was a pretty easy quick scalp. Yesterday's close, 800. Two key areas. We're going to definitely 90% of the time get a bounce there. How big that bounce, that could be it. That could be the bounce we get. But that's such a key area. There's no way it doesn't bounce there. Two key areas, yesterday's close and 800. Now we're looking for it to go through, and then we'll look for the retest of that area. I really need to get this dough out of the mixer, but I could buy a lot of pizza dough. Buy a lot of pizza dough. Just watching it here, looking for the bigger push down. On 50. Low days right here. I'm being patient. Looking for 50. I was about to take that, I'm not going to lie, but not enough meat on the bone, especially this close to low a day. And we're not even at the bands yet. Perfect trade here would be a breakthrough 50, extend away, new low a day, right into the bands. I mean, that's perfect trade. Well, sadly we held. We're going to retest yesterday's close. No big deal. All right, let's see what happens here. Good time to get your dough. Well, that's what I was going to see what it did, but it bounced off yesterday's close, so I think we're going to try lower here. Yeah, it might be a good time to go get it, actually. Check one more thing real quick, and then I'm going to go grab it. It's like we're going to have a second. I just need to take it out of the damn bowl. Get out of this. All right, I'll be right back.
Order filled.
Level out, come on! Yeah! Come on! Come on! Come on! Level out, come on! Come on!
All right, sorry about that. I've been keeping tabs. I've been watching, but that was a little. I had to take a little bit longer for that. It was not folding the way it was supposed to. Back for now. I still gotta chop them up, but I got the hard parts done, and I can let it sit there for a second if I have to. But we're just kind of still chopping around in the middle here, so maybe I'll just go knock it out real quick. FX Bro, nice. Wow. What's up, Steve? Good morning. We're at 100 block, man. Can't seem to get back to 100. By the way, those My Funded Futures accounts that I posted the giveaways, I blew those this morning. Just FYI. I reset them, but I told you I'm being like stupid aggressive with them. That's why I'm not showing you guys those trades, because I would never take those trades like in a real account. That's why I'll never show them to you guys here on stream. I know it's a little guru-ish, but I do not promote how I'm trading those. Wink, wink. But I'm trying to see if I can take advantage of the whole ROI thing, where if I just am right 60% of the time, if I just keep throwing money at it, can that happen? And with those accounts, it's actually pretty easy. Pass those evals in 2 days, and then you can be taking payouts the third day. Kind of like the TPT accounts. The only problem with My Funded Futures is they have a 100K cap. You can only make 100K. So if you spend 100K to make 100K, you end up losing because you're going to end up paying taxes on the 100K, not on the 100K you put in, right? So to make money off of the 100K, to extract it, you'd have to at least only spend, what, like 60, 65K? And even then, you're still breaking even probably. So it's one of those things where there's a fine line in there somewhere. You just killed 100 points. Does that mean like a good thing? Oh, we're at 99. So close. I might go chop the dough balls up here. We'll see. All right. While it's jumping around the middle line here, I'm a BRB. Did any of you even notice this? Look, look. I had a little splash of flour.
You gotta give him that hawk too and spit on that thing. You get me?
echo flickers in the night so cold. A shadow whispers horizontal. I see reflections, but I'm not clear. In this strange world, why am I here? The echoes circle in a barren void. Each step I take feels like it's destroyed. I chase the answer that won't
I'm trying to make my dough balls, but what the heck is the NQ doing here? NQ is getting smacked. Looking at all the stocks today, everything is looking strong. Like, what is NQ doing? Apple's crushing, Tesla's up. Nvidia's down, but like they're strong. Like what's going on here? Why is NQ moving down? By the way, SpaceX is all the way down to where it opened. Might have to buy my share back. Well, it actually opened. Everyone's underwater that bought after it IPO'd. My one share at IPO 135. We actually touched there yesterday. Oh, not quite. 135.50. Yeah, everyone's getting in long on the NQ, looking to ride with all the stocks, and it's just not doing that. Like, what's going on here? It's definitely a divergence. There's no doubt about that. All right, well, we're coming back to the middle, bouncing off yesterday's close. I'm going to keep an eye on it. Well, I walked in when I saw it coming down to it to see if it wanted to go down towards the lows. And now we bounced. And this looks like a short, right? Overall trend coming down, came up, made a lower high, came all the way back down to yesterday's close. We are bouncing, which could look bullish. Right, but we'd have to get all the way back up here to 892 and break it and then hold to make a higher low. I mean, this is a higher low, but I mean to start making higher highs of the move back up. But right now, it looks like that's not the case. It looks like we're actually trending down, and we're still just in this move back down to the bottom. Man, look at this. What is going on here? All right, let's see what happens here. We can break 780. We might go straight to the lows here. SK, good morning. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate that support. All right, I'm going to do a couple more dough balls real quick, because even if we break, it's going to take a minute to get back down there. Oh. If this rejects hard and we break this 788, we literally are probably going straight to the lows here. But it's holding as of right now. I was trying to use yesterday's close as support. Give it a sec here. If this rejects straight down, then this could get nasty. 5 seconds left on this candle. Yeah, get ready, get ready. Looking for the 750 pop down through. Looking for the 750 pop. Just being patient here. Could it hold here? Yes. But that's not our trade. Our trade is looking for the 750 break and then the retest. All right, looking for it to break. Come on. I can't take that trade. When you're coming up to a huge support area like low a day and a whole dollar, half dollar, I'm never looking for that to bounce. I'm looking for the push through that area and then looking for the retest. We need this to push through. We're looking for like 720s, 730s at least. Just trying. Just made a new low, I think. No, it just missed it. Just missed it by 2 ticks. So we still haven't even made the new low yet. FX Bro, what's going on, man? Leia, good morning. How was Tradeify this morning? Wait, what? What is going on? Why is the NQ? NQ is like the only thing. I mean, Nvidia is not even that far down. Like, I know Nvidia is like a huge part of the market, but they're not even that far down. Like, what is driving NQ down here? Is this just a giant fake out at the lows? Like, are they just looking to make this look like we're going lower and then it's just going to shoot up with the rest of the market? Like, what is going on here? I'm actually genuinely confused. I can't remember the last time I've seen such a divergence between the NQ and stocks. I mean, AMD is down pretty big. Intel also down pretty big. But they're not, I mean, they're not the major players. I mean, I guess Nvidia too. But Apple's up, Tesla's up. There's a lot of things that are up that just, I don't know. All right, here we go. See if we can get that extension candle. We need another candle like this one. I'm not just going to get in just to get in. Especially because I have no idea what's going on right now.
Order filled. Order working.
All right, there's an extension candle almost to the bands. Gonna take a starter here, right at 700. Ideally, the better trade would have been waiting for 700 to break. But that's a pretty good extension candle compared to the candles we've been getting. Look for the pop back up to 20. Ugh, yeah, it is weak. Well, that is weak. Uh-oh. All right, let's be careful here. Gonna look for an ad, but I need, yeah, jeez.
Order filled.
And we're lagging a little bit here.
Order working.
Yeah, let's be careful here. All right, into the bands. Hopefully we come up for the 700 retest. I actually might just get out of this on the 700 retest instead of looking for the bigger move. You know what? Let's do this.
Order working.
Take 5 off and then we'll look for 1 up higher. But we're not out of the woods yet here on how far we're going to drop, so.
Order working.
Hopefully we get the 700 retest real quick, at least to get out the majority of this. And honestly, I might just stay on one contract with how weird this is being. I mean, look at the pop we're getting. It's next to nothing. Just be very careful. This might be a blown account, guys. This is one of them ones where we might just not get the bounce for 200 points. Especially when nothing adds up. I was really hoping we at least got the 700 retest there. The market is definitely being... Remember how, you know the saying, the market can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent. This is one of those cases. Put it back on 3 just in case we try to get another ad here through 50. Hopefully we just get the bounce up to 700 real quick. It'd be real nice to get these off. I would feel a lot better. we are just weak. This thing is not even attempting. There's 0 buyers at the moment. I can't add again here. I'd have to wait for the bigger move. At this point, it's kind of a waiting game. We're really just hoping we get the 700 retest. And honestly, if we get the 700 retest, if it doesn't go straight through to come up and get me, I'm gonna jump out. If we even get there. I mean, this doesn't look great. I mean, we're just piecing lower here. These are some big candles too. This is more of just a waiting game. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, 700 retest. We just can't. We need to break this 81 candle. Break this 81 candle. We should hopefully just get filled pretty instantly. Buyers are just not, they're not excited at the moment. Come on. Break it, go. Go. We need it to go now. Need it to go here. 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 Oh, come on. Come on. This needs to be the one. No. No. Go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. We need this to go or we're toast.
Order filled.
Taking the 2 off there at least. Come on. Come on. There we go.
Filled.
All right. Out majority of the position. If we get the push through 700 here, I'll try to hold. If not, I am not looking to hold this very long. In fact, I'm actually going to put a stop. I'm just going to previous candle it. You know what? We have such a big move back up here. Let's do this. We'll do previous candle again. We'll even go like this. See how far this can ride back up, because this thing could go all the way back up. And we could ride one contract. Fuck it. Why not? I'm going to put this one basically at break even, actually. No, we'll risk a little. We'll use previous candle. See if we can't just go V straight back up here. Technically, I'm using current candle, but I don't want to go all the way down here. I don't want to let this go back against us that much. Come on. Buy back up. Oh, I would have got filled, too. I was, what, at 7... Oh, no, I wouldn't have. I was at 718. This went to... Where'd that go to? 716. That's funny. All right, would have got filled right there. Move this up. Just gonna see if we can't run this. It's probably gonna try to reject at 50, right? Looking left. It's probably gonna try to reject there. We'll see what it does if it gets there. Right now, we're basically break even on the trade, though. I'm not going to complain. I did not enjoy that position at all. Even though it worked out just fine. Well, look, we went into the bands, and we're getting the pullback. It worked perfectly. It just didn't feel right, right? Every once in a while, you're going to run into a trade where it just don't feel right. And that was one of them. Did it still work? Yeah. But it very easily could have been a blown account. Any of these 2 candles right here, they could have just blasted us into the oblivion. All right, if we can get through the EMA here, I'm actually pretty confident we'll at least go test 750. Hopefully the buyers just hold above previous candle here. I'm just looking for it to kind of do what it was doing here. We never broke a candle until we did. Right? We just kept trending down. Look at all these candles. Kind of hoping for the same thing here. If we can blast through 750, we might be holding this to high a day. Dang it. I wanted to put it there. Would have got stopped. Is it going to stop us anyway? Is it going to stop us anyway? My stop's like right here somewhere. All right. Just going to leave it here. Looks like we're gonna get stopped. It's running into the EMA. It's looking like it's trying to turn over. Odds are it comes back down, makes a... If it's going to go up, the odds are it's going to make a higher low. Yeah, damn it. That's okay. All right, I'm going to go do some dough balls real quick. I'll be right back. Still not a bad trade. I mean, I think we only made like 30 bucks on it. We were actually up another 50 or so up here, but I was willing to risk that 50 bucks to make like 400 if it decided to just go. All right, let me go back to 3. All right, I'll stay here for a second. If this goes straight back down, I'm interested. What a move that was. That was pretty crazy. What is going on? NQ is just getting smacked. You're trading with the stop? I know, right? Leia, that idea came from you, actually, trailing up like that. You cost me 21 points there, by the way, Leia. I expect I'm gonna send you an invoice. I was trying to trail it. It did hit 740, but I was trying to do... Leia had mentioned, I don't know if it was last week or 2 weeks ago, that I should just put a trailing stop in. So that's what I was doing. But this is a perfect example of where if I would have just took it at 718, I would have made 21 more points instead of, you know, on the off chance that... I mean, but again, I can see... Like, it's probably going to even out. Because every once in a while you are going to get the big mover. But how many times do you have to get the big mover to even out every time you give that 20 points back? Make sense? I was pretty sure we were going to probably reject here at 750, but I tried to hold on. I tried to hold on as long as I could. I was not feeling confident about that trade whatsoever. All right, I'm going to keep an eye on this. I'm going to go do some dough balls. I'll be right back. Still got my headphones on. Yell at me like order filled or something like that. Or fart at me or something if the chart starts doing something and I'm not here. What happened to the music? Oh, my volume. It's just me. Volume's doing something weird. There we go. I see it. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I was watching it.
Order filled.
Looking for the 600 break here. We did get it, but I need to push away from it. How to do this? This is nuts how weak this thing is. Just trying. Need to push away. What's up, Wawa? Yeah, it's been a tough day though. I'll admit today has been a tough day. I wish they would take the money out of the account for 672 because I don't want to lose it. Actually, I still think no, I'd still be risking more there. I'll stay on this one for now. Because I accidentally traded, that's the one I traded last night, the 672 account. But I have money that's being withdrawn from that today, from yesterday. So that was kind of my fault. I just didn't notice. Looking for the extension candle away from 600 here. I got half the dough in the bins. Now I just need to get the other half, but trying to do too much at once here. I should have did half the amount. I forgot how much dough this makes. These are all live accounts, yes, Reaper. Yeah, these are Take Profit Trader live accounts. It's 500 down, now up, feels good. Let's go. Your short held overnight. Beautiful. You're killing it right now. You can see NQ failing now. It's under the daily 50 and it's not going to be easy to get back above. It seems that way. God, look, the NQ is just getting shoved, man. Zoom out. Look at this. There's nothing that screams bullish about this. Not yet. And everything points to this just wants to keep going lower. I mean, maybe we get a retest of here first. All right, maybe we retest here, just making, I mean, look, every time we broke a support right here, broke a support, came back up, sort of retested. It came down, broke yesterday's low. And we did get back through that. Came down through this, came back up, retested it. Coming back down now, came back up, sort of retested it. Is it the full retest yet? I don't know, but this is crazy. And how far is this? We're up at over 30K is the high. It was 400 points, over 400 points. Pretty good range today. Be careful. Looking for the push down. Need that extension candle down into the bands here. Looking for this again. I feel a lot more confident now though than I did over here. This could have went all the way down here prior. Go at 50.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take a stab
Order
here.
working.
Probably on the wrong side of 50 here. Looking for the quick little retracement here. Back up into the around 80. And then hopefully we continue. Oh. I hear the clicks for them getting ready to take the money. Didn't take it out yet. All right, here we go. Down through 50. What a candle. What a candle. That's where my first entry should have been. I should have been more patient, but I was feeling a little FOMO. So now we'll end up probably fighting it a little bit. Either way, I would have been looking for this retest up here, so. Then again, maybe not. Maybe I just take a quick 50 retest. I don't know. But now we're looking for the bigger retest. Come on, tick me, baby. Come on, tick me. Come on, tick me.
Order filled.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. You gotta talk to it a little bit sometimes. All right, 672. All right, hopefully by the time we get another trade on this account, the money is gone from yesterday. Thank you, Don. That was a risky one. Or not a risky one, but just an early entry. I thought with that big of a candle, we might bounce off the 50 there, but it did go through. All right, there's our full retest. I kind of want this to reject here, which it's not. I wanted it to reject there and keep going lower so I can get more trades. While we're waiting, though, I'm going to go grab the other bin.
some affection. But right now I can smell your intention. Your intention, you're trying to spill it on me, trying to please your ego. Like my heart is just a trophy, but that ain't working on me. No, the more you lie to me, the faster I get bored. Don't say you love me, but to just get what you want. Just stop those empty words. I have been here before. And the more you lie to me, the faster I get bored. I believe it at the start, but now I don't. No, no, no. You just wanna satisfy your selfish thoughts, and that's not healthy. You're not with me and just against me. Wanna live my own. You're against me, that's what I can't see. You're trying to spit it on me, trying to please your ego. Like my heart is just a trophy, but that ain't working on me. No, the more you lie to me, the faster I get bored. Just stop those empty words. I have been here before. And the more you lie to me, the faster I get bored.
FBI, open up! Welcome to the jungle, bitch!
Oh, all right. Who's trying to trick me? Got all the dough balls done and in the fridge.
Gay!
Yeah, you are, but what am I? I know 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 you are, but what am I? Need another drink.
If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light. Just give me the green light. If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light. Just give me a sign. Just give me the green light. If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light. Just give me a sign. If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. If you want me
Oh, they took it out. Let's go. Money is out. Money is out. All right, now we're on the right account for show. For show. Now we're only risking 30 bucks instead of 130 bucks. Well, I was hoping we broke down there so that we could get the trade down towards the lows, but no such luck yet. Could this be the higher low? You need to break above 650 though, that's for sure.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try a stupid short here. Let's stop out if we do break this 650.
Order working.
Pretty wide stop, but I got a feeling that we're still going lower. Probably fake out down here. Shit, that was pretty quick. Yeah. I was about to take two off and try to let one ride, but that happened so fast. Oh shit. Well shit. Didn't even give me a chance. It happened so fast it went down, and then it happened so fast it came right back up. This is not a trade I would typically take. This is just the overall, like I've seen this happen a million times kind of thing. I feel like they're going to come down, try to test the lows one more time before they want to go higher. There hasn't been really like a fake out lower yet. They love to do the fake outs. That's what she said. All right, got my finger on the button here to take two off if we can get. I was just looking for the retest of this 82 area, and then I'll try to ride one lower and just put an order out.
Order
Just in
working.
case. If not, it's going to be a decent loss. Not adding to this. This is not a... This is a one-in type of trade. Either it works or it doesn't, which... Of course, right? Of course. I really didn't even want to see it get back up to here, let alone this thing might just go straight up now. Well, that sucks. I guess this was a higher low so far. Just gonna leave my stop. Still got a little ways to go to get there. Okay. Okay, market. I hate you too. It's okay. We hate each other mutually. Can hate each other mutually. This definitely is starting to look like it wants to go higher now. Now they might fake it out. The sad part is now they might fake it out higher before taking it lower. To fake it out lower to then go higher. But we'll see. Hopefully this was the fake out higher. Should have added. Why didn't you guys tell me to add? Come on. Straight down. Maybe it's giving me an opportunity to get out here, break even. Knowing I shouldn't even be in this trade, probably. This was me just being a little bit of FOMO. Just a smidge of FOMO. Come on, rip it down. Dump it. Dump it. Give me my 2, and then we immediately put the stop in at break even. No, it's just going to tease. It's going to tease. Come on, do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Oh my FG. OMFG. Did you see the little wicket put in there? You saw that, right? Look at it. It's literally laughing at me at the moment.
Order filled. Working.
Would it have given it to me? How low did the candle get? 87? Where was I? I think I was at 86. So I would have been even more annoyed. All right, stopping at break even. We break here, awesome. If not, whatever. Oh yeah, I gotta get rid of this. All right,
Stop
whatever.
filled.
Still made. What did we make on that? Like 80 bucks. Still made 80 bucks on it. I'm not gonna complain. Damn, we're actually having a decent day here, even though it doesn't feel like it. Even though it doesn't feel like it. If this dumps now, I'm gonna be sad. Sad face. I'm gonna be sad face. It missed me. Where was I? This went to 87. Let's go check. Let's go check. Where was I? I think I was at 86 something, like 86.50. I was at 86.50. That would have missed me by 2 ticks. What a joke. What a joke. 2 ticks. What did I get filled at? 92. Okay, so I did lose out on like 20 bucks, but whatever. Not gonna complain. I am gonna complain about 2 ticks, 1 tick. Dude, that's just getting annoying. It's getting annoying. All right, let me go get a drink real quick. And of course it's going to work, right? Of course it's going to work. Anybody want some grapes? Here you go. Feed you. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Here it comes. Ooh. Come here, I'll baby bird it to you. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. Good idea, Machado. $30 seconds. Get them in. Alrighty. Do it. Damn, where are all you? Only 38 entries. 38 total marbles, actually. That's with the members. FX, bro, did you seriously not get in? You were typing like the whole time. Why didn't you type exclamation point marbles? Guys, stop typing it. Stop typing it. Are you really not in there? Bro. You were literally typing other things. Now I gotta do this crap. I'm not adding anyone else. Stop it. All right, that's it. All right, good luck. I have so much cleanup to do in the kitchen. I'll probably do it while these races go, but I'm gonna sit here and eat these rest of these grapes first. Good. I was more so just being funny anyway. Woo! That was a sour grape. Whoa! Wow, that first laser said fuck off. Wow. All right. Attempt number 2. Oh. How did GDT do today? I never got around to pulling him up. I feel like he's usually still alive. What happened there? He just stopped 13 minutes ago. Let's see how he did. One winner, Elva. Oh, nice trade on SNDK. Oh, actually, that went way against him. Check my chat. What'd you say? Can you add me, please? Nah, bro. If you missed, I literally added people 2 minutes after it was over. You got to be here when I am doing it. Thankfully, that trade worked out for him. It went way against him, though. And Q dumping back down again. Faked out higher instead of faking out lower. So I guess they still want to go lower. So they faked it out higher. Whichever way they fake it out, they usually want it to go the other way. Oh! Keyshawn just said, I'm getting by them lasers real quick. And he hits it. Let's go. Watching the NQ. Almost to the lows again. This is the move I was looking for earlier. They faked it out first. Ooh. Oh, Jason, you were down there. All right, we got one shot here. One opportunity. Where did it go? Oh. My marble screen like disappeared on me. I couldn't find it, and now I see it. And he died. I'm assuming you got lasered. All right, last time. Unless somebody crosses the bridge. BRB. All right. Look at that. Perfect timing for SMT to get smoked. Don keeping it going. Let's go, Don. Give him a chance. Give him a chance. Give him a chance. Nope. Come on, Don. At least die with integrity, you know? Don's like, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Die. Oh, Don. I'm gonna go clean up some flour. Well, at least we get to play again. Oh, Reaper! Come on, Reaper. Come on, Reaper. And Julian. Let's go. Who wants to go first? Who wants to go first? Like you're going at the same time. Oh! Oh! If it would have lined up, you had it. If it would have lined up, you had it. All right, I got one more thing to clean up. Market was trying to make a low there, but now it bounced back up. Dude, my timing has been good. Oh, Donovan, keeping it going. Start the cipher. Get in there. Stay up. Yes. Come on, baby. You guys are doing good today. Keep crossing the bridge. Actually making it. Oh, he's going for it right away. I don't like that sideways action, though. I don't like the sideways action, though. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Oh, the peg would have got you anyway. Didn't line up. And the peg got you. That's 2 in a row. It's 2 in a row we almost had a chance. Got to the end like that. Man, market flying back up. What you doing, market? What you doing, market? Oh! Nanette, your other marble took you out. That was brutal. FX, bro. We need you. We need you. Or are we done? All right. Well, the chart looks like we're just kind of evening out here. This probably ends up being low a day, to be honest. Might just go sideways. I don't know. We probably come up and retest like 750 area, if I had to guess. And then probably just kind of chill around yesterday's close. But I'm going to get out of here. I got some other stuff I need to get done. I will see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Until then, stay safe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I won't have a lot of stuff to do in the morning, so I'll be here the entire time. And maybe I'll even be here tonight. I don't know. We'll see. Peace.
Gay!
If I could be the tree